Our project serves to solve a problem in the restaurant industry. In the restaurant industry, the staff operates in very tight quarters, and the environment is very fast-paced. So this leads to a lot of problems. Anyone in this environment risks injury to errors or accidents. And these accidents could create costs due to breakages that are unnecessary to the restaurant owners. So we did some research on the known hazards in the restaurant industry. About 25,000 slips and falls are reported daily. And on average, a restaurant spends about $80,000 on smallware, such as plates, glasses, or silverware. And the stress in the workplace is the biggest cause of restaurant accidents. And it's due to this increased workload that leads to an increase in these accidents.
Our solution seeks to solve the following: high volume alleviation, table turnover, higher revenue for restaurant, more tips for waiters and waitresses. As a side note, we are seeking to not replace current waiting and busing staff, but just to alleviate the workload. Our design will be implementing the following technological functions. We will be using 2D mapping using LiDAR, obstacle avoidance using LiDAR and a depth camera, using a sense load by using a digital weight sensor, and a call button that will be utilized by the customer.
The robot is designed to follow a process flow similar to the following diagram. The robot will await a command from either the server or the customer. The customer has the option to summon the busbot using a custom controller that signals the robot to arrive at the table to receive dirty dishes or deliver a beverage. The server has the ability to override any customer command and have the robot follow the server with the intent to carry dishes or beverages for the server. At the end of any sequence, the busbot will return to the dish pit to deliver dishes. So the basic simplified process of the robot is to receive a task, move to chosen table, and wait until it's been sent away either to the dish pit or to another table.
More specifically, busbot is following a programmed route via the 3D map generated from the LiDAR. While en route, the robot is using the LiDAR sensor and depth camera to detect any obstacles en route and following a programmed protocol to deal with the obstacle. Once the robot arrives at its desired location, busbot will be using a digital weight sensor to detect its carrying capacity until it is sent away using the custom controller in the customer's possession. The busbot has 5 key elements: the ROS operating system, the Intel RealSense depth camera, the Slamtech RP LiDAR, the RoboClaw motor driver, and the Raspberry Pi 3 B+ computer processor. ROS is a catch-all operating system built specifically for the design and implementation of robotics. ROS takes the sensor inputs from all of the devices and places them in a ROS bag. These bags can then be processed to communicate real information to the robot that will help the robot navigate a busy restaurant or decide the best obstacle avoidance maneuver. The Intel RealSense camera is a depth camera that contains a pre-made ROS wrapper that connects the camera to the ROS operating system. The ROS package contains video recognition algorithms that will be implemented to detect obstacles that will trigger an avoidance protocol. The motor driver of choice is the RoboClaw, which is produced by Pololu and will supply the motors with an adequate amount of current, which is estimated to be a max of 20 amps each. We will be using a Raspberry Pi 3 B+ processor to process our ROS information.
There currently exist several products that accomplish the same goal as busbot. However, there are some key differences. The robot's featured aim is to replace the waiter or busser, but the busbot aims to assist the waiter or busser to alleviate the workload by automating certain processes. The graph illustrates a relation between the efficiency and the cost of each robot: Penny, Droid, Robot.H, and the busbot. We can see that the busbot is the only robot that offers the highest level of efficiency at a medium level cost. The objective of the busbot is to streamline restaurant processes, alleviate employee workload, and enhance overall guest experience. The busbot would be an excellent addition to any restaurant staff seeking to implement a modern technological solution for increasing profit margins and decreasing unwarranted costs.